In question number 4, we have to find the value of x, then we have to graph that solution on the number line. 4x minus 1, it's greater than x plus 11. So like terms we'll write together. So 4x and x, both of these are like terms. So x we will shift to this side, plus x, on changing the side it will be changed to minus x. 4x minus x, this sign will remain same, greater than, here 11 as it is, and minus 1, because minus 1 and 11 both of these are like terms. So minus 1 I will shift to this side, minus 1 on changing the side will be changed to plus 1. So 4x minus x, x means 1x, 4x minus 1x is equals to 3x, greater than 11 plus 1 is 12. So we have to find the value of x. Here 3x is there, so with same number which is written with x we can divide so that we can get the value of x. So 3x by 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 12 divided by 3. See, on both the sides we have to make that change. So that is why both the sides we divided, 3 into 1, 3 into 4. In the sign of inequality it will remain same. So x is greater than 4. So this we have to draw on a number line. So x is greater than 4 and the replacement set is of real numbers. So let's draw a number line. Center of the number line 0, one side of the number line positive integers and the other side we have to draw negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So first step, like I have told you, see the number is 4 and only one sign, equality sign is not there. So on 4 I will just draw small circle, because when equality sign is there, in that case we will draw dark dot. So here only this sign, greater than, x is greater than 4. So greater than, I have told you we have to go towards the right side. So this is the graphical representation of x greater than 4. In second part, it is given 7 minus x, it is less than equals to 2 minus 6x. So same way we will solve the value of x first, then we can do the graphical representation. So 7 minus x, x and 6x, these two are like terms, and 7 and 2, these two are like terms. So I will shift 6x to this side, minus x minus 6x, when I shift it to this side it will be changed to plus 6x. So minus x plus 6x, the sign will remain same, less than equals to, here 2 I will write as it is and this 7 I will shift to this side. So 2, this plus 7 will be changed to minus 7 on changing the sign. So minus x plus 6x is less than equals to 2 minus 7. So minus plus minus the sign which is with a greater number. So 6x minus 1x, it is 5x plus 5x, because with a greater number plus sign is there, less than equals to 2 minus 7. Again 2 is plus, 7 is with minus sign. So minus plus minus, 7 minus 2, 5. The sign which is with the greater number. So with greater number, which is 7 in this case, minus sign is there, so it will be minus 5. Now we need value of x. Here 5 is getting multiplied by x, so we will divide both the side of the inequation by 5. Why 5? Because if we divide both the sides by 5, these two 5s will get cancelled and we will get the value of x. Here also we will do cancellation, 1, 1, 1, 1. So x is less than equals to minus 1. So the value of x is x less than equals to minus 1 we got. So we have to plot this point on a number line. Let's draw a number line. See, while drawing number lines, make sure you are plotting the points at equal distance. I am doing on both, so the distance is not very accurate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So x is first step, we will see the point. Point is minus 1. Then what we have to draw? This sign we have to see. It is x less than greater, less than equal to. So this equality sign is also there, so that means we have to draw dark dot on -1. Now with x it is, see, less than means on which side we have to go? Negative side. Negative side is towards the left side. So this is the graphical or the representation of this solution on number line. In this part it's given x plus 3 is less than equals to 2x plus 9. First we will find the value of x, then we will plot the solution on the number line. So like terms we will write together. So this x we can shift to other side and 9 we will shift to this side, because 9 and 3, these two are like terms, 2x and x, these two are like terms. So 3 I will write as it is, plus 9 I am shifting to this side. So it will be changed to -9. This sign will remain same, less than equals to 2x I am keeping this side and x I am shifting to this side. So plus x, if I shift on this side, it will be changed to -x. So 1x you can write 3 minus 9, plus minus minus, so 9 minus 3 is 6, and the sign which is with a greater number, so -9. 9 is a greater number, with 9 minus sign is there, so with 6 also we have to write minus sign. Less than equals to 2 minus 1, 1, and x as it is we have to write. So 2x minus x is 1x, or only x you can write. So x is with x greater than, so x is greater than equals to -6, you can write it in this way. Now we have got the value of x, let's plot it on number line. So this side negative numbers and this side all positive integers. -6, on -6 we have to mark, then it is greater than, the equality sign is also there. So that means dark dot, here -6 is there, so dark dot. Now x is greater than, greater means we have to go towards the positive side, because all the positive numbers including these numbers, they will be greater than -6. So positive side we have to go, and positive side means right side we have to go. So this is the representation of x greater than equals to -6. In fourth part it's given 2 minus 3x greater than -5x. So same way we will find the value of x, then we can plot on the number line. So like terms we can write together, -3 and -5, these two are like terms, then 2 and 7, these two are like terms. So always try to shift the bigger term to the opposite side if the term is negative, so that you don't have to make any changes in this sign of equality. Like here -3x is already there, so we will shift -5x to this side, because when I shift -5x to this side, it will be changed to +5x, and overall when I add, this will be a positive number. So further I don't have to multiply with a negative number and change this sign to make x positive. Like if I shift -3 to other side, it will be like -x -3, so -8 we will get. So in this way our x will be in the negative, so then we have to multiply it again with the negative number to make it positive. So it's better if we shift this way. So both the ways the answer will be same, but the only difference is that this sign you don't have to change. See, -3x plus 5 greater than 7 I will keep on this side, and 2 I will shift here, plus 2 on shifting it to other side, it will be changed to -2. Minus plus minus, so 5 minus 3 2x with the plus sign, because with greater number which is 5, plus sign is there, so plus 2x greater than 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. So x, here 2 is there with x, 2 is getting multiplied, so we will divide both the sides by 2, because this x and this x will get cancelled, and I will get x greater than 5 by 2. So we can also convert it into decimals. So x is greater than, if you convert it will be 2.5. So x is greater than 2.5. So let's plot this on number line now. See, the replacement set is of real numbers. So this replacement set is very important because from that set itself we have to choose our solution. So this is my number line, middle 0, then on one side positive integers and the other side negative integers. So x is greater than 2.5. So where is 2.5? 2.5 is between 2 and 3, so somewhere here. So you can just locate it, you can write it down there, 2.5. Now you have located the point, here we have 2.5, only greater than sign is there. So x is greater than 2.5, only greater than sign means small circle we have to draw on this point. Since it is a real number, that is why we are starting from that number itself. See, real number means all the numbers are included. It can be this decimal number also, it can be fraction also, all the numbers. So you have to mark on 2.5, not on 2 or 3, because it's a real number. So here small circle, and x is greater. Greater means which side? Positive side, and it towards the right side, you can remember. So greater from 2 point side is these all points up to so on. In fifth part, it's given 1 plus x is greater than equals to 5x minus 11. So I'll shift x to this side. See, both any way you can do, the answer will be same. Just apply the rules. So I am shifting x to other side and 11 to this side. So 1 as it is, minus 11, if I shift to this side it will be plus 11. This sign will remain same, greater than equals to 5x as it is, and this plus x I am writing on this side, so it will be changed to minus x. 1 plus 11 is 12, greater than equals to 5x minus x means 1x, 5x minus 1x is 4x. 5 minus 1, 4, and x you have to write as it is. Now we have to find the value of x. It's getting multiplied by 4. So we'll divide it by 4, so that these two will get cancelled and we will get the value of x. So both the sides you have to divide by 4, and then the sign of inequality it will remain same, no need to change it, because with positive number we are dividing. So 4 into 1 and 4 into 3. So 3 is greater than equals to 4 into 1, 4 into 1. So x is less than equals to 3. Both ways you can write, because x is less than, see the sign. So you can just see the sign and write in this way. X is less than equals to 3 we have to draw. Let's draw number line first. Just try to draw it along with me, and then you can check your answer or check your representation how you have drawn it. So I have marked all the points. X is less than equals to 3. So first step is I will just see the number is 3, then I will see the sign. It is less than also and equal to also, that means dark dots I have to draw on 3, on this number. Now it is less than means towards the negative side I have to go. See, less means something which is less, so you can always remember this way. Less means you have to go towards the less negative side, and more means plus, so towards the positive side. So less than I will go towards negative side. So this is the representation of this point. In this part it is given 2x plus 5 by 3, it is greater than 3x minus 3. So this side if we see, it is in fraction form. So what we can do to finish this fraction, see this number, complete number, it is getting divided by 3. So if I multiply it with 3, this whole term, if I multiply it with 3, I can cancel it. and this fraction we can finish. So what we can do, multiplying this side by 3. So whenever we have to multiply, it should be on both the sides. So both sides I will multiply with plus 3, and there will not be any change in the sign of equality because we are multiplying with the positive number. So why we are multiplying with plus 3? The reason here, this expression 2x plus 5, it is in a fraction form, it is divided by 3. So if I multiply it with 3, these two will get cancelled and the fraction will get finished. So I will be only left with 2x plus 5. And if I have to make any change on one side, same change I have to make on the other side also. So that is why both the sides I am multiplying with plus 3. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are left with 2x plus 5. Greater than sign will not change because we have multiplied with a positive number. If we multiply by a negative number, then it will be changed. So with positive number, no change, as it is you can write. This multiplication we can do because here bracket is there, and moreover this 3 we have to multiply with both. So with this also and with this also. So 3 into 3x, 9x, 3 into 3, 9. Now we can just write like terms together and solve the value of x. So 2 I will shift to this side and minus 9 I will shift to this side. You can, if you want, you can shift 9 also to this side, the answer will be same. Just make sure you are applying all the rules correctly. So 5 minus 9, if I shift to this side, it will be changed to plus 9. Greater than, as it is, 9x as it is I have to write. This 2x I am shifting on another side. This is plus 2x, so it will be changed to minus 2x. 5 plus 9, 14, greater than 9x minus 2x. 9 minus 2, 7. So x as it is I have to write. Now here 7x is there. So what we can do? We can divide it by 7. Divide it by plus sign so that these two will get cancelled and I will get the value of x. So if I am dividing this side by 7, this side also we have to divide by 7, because whenever in an equation we are making any change, it should be on both the sides. So both the sides we are dividing by plus 7. So no need of making change here, the sign will remain same. This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. 7 into 1, 7 into 2. So 2 is greater than x, or I can say x is less than 2. So x is less than 2, we can plot this point on number line. Number line, same way we can draw 0 in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First step, we have to see the number, which number we have to mark. So it is 2. 2 is here, then sign we have to see. Second, sign is only of less than. So only less than means we have to draw small circle. It is x less than. Less than means, which is less, means minus. Minus means towards the left side I have to go. So this is the representation of x less than 2 on number line. In fifth question, it is given if x belongs to real numbers, that means replacement set is of real numbers, and this inequation is given to us. We have to evaluate x, means we have to find the value of x and represent on the number line. So we can solve same way we have to do like we did the previous one. So the inequation is minus 1 less than 3 minus 2x less than equals to 7. See, 2 times the sign of inequality is there. So when 2 times the sign of inequality is there, so we'll part the complete expression into 2 different parts. We can divide it and then part by part we can solve the value of x. So first these two sides I will take and solve the value of x. So minus 1 is less than 3 minus 2x. So only this much I will take. So minus 1, this 3 I will shift to this side because like terms we can write together. So plus 3, if I change its side, it will be changed to minus 3, less than minus 2x. Minus minus plus with a minus sign. So 3 plus 1, 4, minus 4. So minus minus plus with a minus sign. So minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 4, less than minus 2x. See, we need the value of x. Here minus 2 is getting multiplied. So what we can do, we can divide both the sides by minus 2, so that we can find the value of x. See, whatever is written with x, if that number is in the multiplication form, same number you can divide. And if the number is in the division forms, with same number you can multiply both the sides, whatever number is with the x. So minus 4, I can just change the sign. So why I am changing sign here? Because I am dividing both the sides by a negative number. This side also I divided by minus 2, this side also I divided by minus 2. So when we divide or multiply both the sides by a negative number, see, positive number no change, negative number means this sign we have to change it. It was less than, so I have to change it to greater than. Minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. Minus minus and 2 into 1, 2 into 2. 2 greater than x. Now we can find the other side. This one solution we have got, x is less than 2 or 2 is greater than x. Now these two sides we can take. 3 minus 2x is less than equals to 7. 3 minus 2x is less than equals to 7. So like terms we can write together. Minus 2x I will keep on this side, less than equals to I will write as it is 7. This 3 I will shift to other side. So when I shift plus 3 to other side, it will be changed to minus 3. The sign of inequation will remain same as of now. So minus 2x is less than equals to 7 minus 3, 4. We have to find the value of x. With x, minus 2 is getting multiplied. So we have to divide both sides by minus 2, because if we divide by this side by minus 2, to cancel minus 2 and minus 2, we have to divide other side also. Both the sides we have to do same change. So we are dividing both the sides by a negative number. That means here this sign we have to change. It was less than equals to, we have to make it greater than equal to. We have to change the sign if we are multiplying or dividing both the sides by a negative number. So that's why I changed the sign here. Minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So here x is greater than equals to, one minus sign is there, so minus 2 I can write. So x is greater than equal to minus 10 and x is less than 2. So if I want to write it in one expression, I can write in this way. See, x is less than 2, less than sign I have written 2, with x greater than equals to minus 2. So this we have to plot on the number line. See, one thing we have to see before plotting on number line, you have to check the replacement set. It's very important. Here replacement set is the set of real numbers. Replacement set is that set from which we choose our solution set. Because only solution set we have to draw on a number line. So I will draw a number line here. One side positive numbers and other side negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So first step, we have to see the points we can locate and mark those points on the number line. One point is minus 2. See this sign with minus 2, it is less than equal to. So dark dot. Other sign is 2 and 2, with 2 only 2 is greater than x. So only greater sign is there, small dot, small circle. Now x lies between these two, so we can join these. Because x is greater than minus 2, for greater we have to go towards positive side, and if you want to draw here, from here you should go towards the left side because it is less than 2. So basically all the values of x are lying between these two, so that is why we are joining these two. Let's do the next question. In sixth question, it's given list the elements of the solution set. So elements of the solution set we have to write from this inequation, and replacement set, the set from which we have to choose the solution, is of natural numbers now. So natural numbers, you all know, it starts from 1 and up to so on, 1, 2, 3, all this positive numbers starting from 1. Let's start. 2 times sign of inequality is there. So we'll divide it into 2 parts and part by part we can solve it. So first I'll take this one, minus 3 less than x minus 2. Very simple. Minus 3 and minus 2, these are like, so I'll write these two together. Minus 3, minus 2, on changing the side it will be changed to plus 2. This sign will remain same, x. So minus 3 plus 2, minus plus minus, so 3 plus 2, or 3 minus 2 is 1, and the sign which is with a greater number. So greater number is 3, with 3 minus sign is there. So minus 1, minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 1, less than x, or I can write it in this way because x is greater, so I can write x is greater than minus 1. This is one solution. Let's find the next one. Next one, it is this. Other two parts I can take. So central part always we can take first with left side and then with right side. So x minus 2, this sign as it is, less than equals to 9 minus 2x. So 2x and this x, both of these are like terms. So I can shift 2x to this side, minus 2x, on changing the side it will be changed to plus 2x. The sign of inequality will remain same. This is less than equals to, it will be less than equal to 9, I am writing on this side, minus 2 I am shifting to other side. So minus 2 it will be changed to plus 2. X means 1x, 1 plus 2 is 3, x as it is I have to write because it is 1x plus 2x, less than equals to 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11. So x is less than equals to 11 by 3. 11 by 3 we can convert it into decimal. So after converting you can say it will be 3.666, or you can write x is less than equals to 3.67 you can take. So if I want to write both the values together, we can write it in this way, x in the center, so towards x greater, this x is greater than minus sign, minus 1, so x this less than equals to 3.6. But we have to only write the solution. See, in this question they haven't told us to represent on the number line, only the solution set we have to write. So solution set we can write, it belongs to natural numbers, so only natural numbers we can write. You know, natural number starts from 1, so from 1 only we can start. This side we can ignore because this side all negative numbers are there. So minus 1 and 0 we cannot take, only natural numbers. So x is less than equals to 3.6. So less than 3.6, all the natural numbers we can write. So it is 1, 2 and 3, because 3 is also less than 3.6. So this we can include here. And this, see, in the question they haven't asked us to draw on a number line, but if you want to draw, if any such question comes, how to draw, you can draw same way the number line we draw, one side positive numbers and the other side negative numbers. Here we have fixed values you can see. Our solution set is equals to 1, 2 and 3. So we'll just draw dark dots on these points. So the representation on number line of this point is this.